Hi everyone, my name's Frank, and I'm the user advocate for Artsman, and welcome to our series on exchanging in Theater Manager. In this video, we'll dive a little deeper into the 3 different areas of Theater Manager that might help process and shape best practices when handling exchanges. Those areas being company preferences, employee access, and payments. Let's start with the Box Office tab in Company Preferences. This is where your organization can apply a global setting to align your exchange business policies with how Theater Manager by default will handle ticket exchanges. In other words, whatever box is checked in this area will tell Theater Manager how your organization would like to handle the money when a patron exchanges their tickets. The Collect for Higher Price option tells the system to charge the patron the difference in price if the new tickets are more expensive. This typically happens when a patron upgrades their seat to a more expensive section of the venue, or if they need to exchange to a different type of ticket, maybe from a child price to an adult price. Whatever the case may be, if the option is selected, Theater Manager, by default, will always calculate the difference and populate the exchange confirmation window accordingly. The second option, Refund for Lower Price, acts in much the same way as the first. If the patron exchanges to a lower price ticket, the system will calculate the difference and pre-populate the exchange confirmation window with the refund calculation. If the third option, Exchange Tickets Retain Original Price, is checked, the system will ignore any price difference during the exchange and keep the price of the original tickets. In other words, no matter what price difference there might be, the patron neither pays nor gets a refund. Another option is to select none of the checkboxes, which allows the employees to select an appropriate option at the time of the exchange, providing an added degree of flexibility for the box office team. Whatever options an organization selects here will affect the exchange confirmation window's default behavior. Of course, users can always change the default during the exchange to suit a particular patron or situation. This feature is simply another tool the system offers to connect the behavior of the software to your organization's exchange policies. Speaking of employees, the second area to take a closer look at is the Functions tab of an employee record. Here we find 10 different access options, allowing managers to set specific permissions at the employee level. For example, newer employees might have none of the exchange options selected, while more experienced personnel might have most of them enabled. For more details on what each option in the Functions tab is designed to do, click on the Help button to go directly to the Functions Help page. Finally, let's touch on payments. While exchanging tickets of equal value, a payment is not required. We suggest, after clicking the Confirm button, to simply close out of the window by using the red button on a Mac or the X button for Windows. However, you will need to select a payment method if you would like to print or email the PDF e-tickets. We suggest selecting cash as the payment method in this scenario, as the zero balance will have no effect on your end of day. When exchanging to higher or lower price tickets, and you'd like to collect or refund the difference, select the payment button and process the payment or refund as needed. Remember, it's always a best practice to use the same payment method when processing a refund. And in the event of a cash refund, you may want the organization to generate a check. Lastly, differences in tickets where the organization owes the patron money can always be turned into a donation, gift certificate, or pass with the permission of the patron. If you'd like to keep the refund balance for the organization, you can always also just add an adjustable fee in the order to zero out the balance due. And that's it. We hope you've enjoyed this video. From all of us here at Artsman, thanks for watching.